My name's Steven. I used to be a philanthropy advisor, and today I want to give you the absolute basics on how charitable giving can be tax advantaged. The first thing we have to understand is how giving can be tax advantaged on your income taxes. Every year when you file your taxes, you have two options. You can either itemize your deductions or take what's called the standard deduction. The standard deduction is the regular amount of reduction in our taxed income we get just for showing up to life. And how you file, whether single, married, etc., is going to affect the amount of standard deduction that you're going to get. Itemized deductions, however, are the total deductions you accrue just for paying for individual things in your life that are tax deductible, like mortgage interest, property taxes, and yes, charitable donations. When you file your taxes, you'll use whichever number is bigger. So why does this matter for how tax advantaged our giving can be? Well, in order to see incremental benefit from a charitable donation, you need to itemize on your taxes. So if you take the standard deduction, your charitable donations actually won't affect how much in taxes you pay. So you need to itemize. We also need to mention tax deduction limits. The IRS has limits on how much you can deduct for charitable donations based on your income and types of charities. Generally, you can deduct donations up to 60% of your income for cash donations to public charities. Be sure to read more deeply on this if you think you might be anywhere close to that limit. All right, we've talked about income tax deductions, but the additional way giving can be tax advantaged is by donating assets like stock or cryptocurrency. When you donate assets versus cash, you avoid paying capital gains taxes on the appreciation that you would otherwise pay when you sell those assets. Plus, you're going to get an income tax deduction, like we already talked about, for the market value of the donated asset when you give it. It's a big win-win. All right, hopefully now you feel more equipped to understand how giving to impactful organizations can have an impact on your finances. Reach out if we can help you further.